Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. John Belkowitz, and we've got a Q&A day. Thanks for your time, your patience, and your questions. Let's get on to it. Ding! This question is from Schweels. Oh, great name. Schweels. If you had a hot load, 97 degrees Fahrenheit, show up to a construction site, would you allow the contractor to add ice to cool it down? My experience has been it's almost no effect in 90 plus degree temps, but contractors almost always try to save the load by doing this. The concrete is already hot and it's cooled down. Has the damage already been done? Schweels, great freaking question. So I'm guessing either you're the engineer, the owner, or the inspector. So you have some decision-making power on the job site to reject a load. And if this is a concrete that doesn't have a hydration stabilizer, Schweels, I'm a bit of a purist. Whoever ordered this concrete should have taken that into account. 90 degree plus days don't just come out of nowhere. Rain does, snow does, but it's rare that you get this 97 degree day, coming out of the sheer blue. So if anything, what the person should have done ahead of time is either use a hydration stabilizer or, geez, I tell you, I shut this thing down. How did he do that? I did, I swear to you. It's so weird. So anyway, like I was saying, that's something that you should take really... Sorry about that. Something that you should have taken care of earlier. But obviously, if they didn't do that, if you didn't put a hydration stabilizer in there and your concrete temp is 90 degrees plus, if you have to save it, if your plant is too far away for you to get another truck, or just getting another truck is just not realistic, yeah, you can use ice in the truck, but please bear in mind, if you don't get your 100 revs, if you don't have enough time to get your 100 revs, feel like the concrete's about to set off, let's say for some reason it has a calcium chloride accelerator, which has happened accidentally, you might be fighting hydration, and putting ice on the job site might not do anything for you. And putting a hydration stabilizer in at the job site, you might get some spots where it mixes in thoroughly and some spots where you don't. They're called soft spots. So, there are some cases where I would reject the load. But during a debrief or a pre-brief, it should have been discussed. Somebody should have looked up the weather and made that decision. And if I'm part of it, normally I'm going to do that. So hopefully that would have been really just diverted. So let me see. If the concrete is already hot and it's cooled down, has the damage already been done? If you still got flowability and if you still got water to put into the back of the truck, the damage is not necessarily done. It just depends on how old, how hot the concrete is. Let's say if you had a 28-inch spread and it was supposed to last 3 hours, but a hot snap came in, it was supposed to be 70 degrees, but it's 98 degrees out, and it went from a 28-inch spread to a 2-inch slump in half an hour, I don't really think you're going to recover that load. But if it went from, let's say, a 6-inch slump to a 5-inch slump, I think you might, and you have some water to play with, I think you can recover that load. But always do some secondary samples, and if it's that important of a job site, err on the side of send the truck back. So, thanks for the question. If you have any more, let us know. Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt!